The most effective exercise for weight loss. When it comes to weight loss, the most effective exercise is one that maximizes calorie burn while being sustainable for long-term adherence. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, consistently ranks at the top of the list. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods, making it highly efficient for burning calories in a short amount of time. Studies show that HIIT can burn 25 to 30% more calories than other forms of exercise, like steady-state cardio, in the same duration. Additionally, HIIT triggers the afterburn effect, where your body continues to burn calories at an elevated rate even after the workout is over. Why HIIT outperforms other exercises. Unlike traditional cardio, such as jogging or cycling at a steady pace, HIIT elevates your heart rate quickly and keeps it high throughout the session. This not only burns more calories during the workout, but also improves cardiovascular health and boosts metabolism. Another advantage of HIIT is its versatility. It can be adapted to various exercises, including sprinting, cycling, bodyweight movements, or even swimming. This flexibility makes it accessible to people of different fitness levels and prevents workout monotony, which is crucial for long-term consistency. Combining strength training for optimal results. While HIIT is excellent for calorie burn, combining it with strength training can further enhance weight loss. Strength training builds lean muscle mass, which increases your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even at rest. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, and push-ups engage multiple muscle groups, leading to greater energy expenditure. For the best results, aim for a balanced routine, 3 to 4 days of HIIT and 2 to 3 days of strength training per week. This combination ensures fat loss while preserving muscle, giving you a toned and lean physique. The role of consistency and nutrition. No exercise regimen will yield significant weight loss without consistency and proper nutrition. Even the most effective workouts must be paired with a calorie deficit, consuming fewer calories than you burn. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like lean proteins, vegetables, and healthy fats to fuel your workouts and recovery. For additional tools to support your journey, click the link in the description. Remember, exercise alone won't compensate for poor dietary habits. Tracking your progress and adjusting your routine as needed will help you stay on track and achieve sustainable weight loss. Final thoughts on choosing the right exercise. The best exercise for weight loss is the one you enjoy and can stick with long-term. While HIIT and strength training are scientifically proven to be highly effective, the key is finding a routine that fits your lifestyle. Click the link in the description to explore resources that can help you stay consistent. Whether it's HIIT, running, cycling, or weightlifting, enjoyment and patience are the ultimate determinants of success. Start with manageable goals, gradually increase intensity, and pair your efforts with a balanced diet for the best results.